Introducing the Apple AirPods second generation, the ultimate wireless earbuds for your everyday need. With Bluetooth technology and a lightning charging case included, you can enjoy over 24 hours of battery life on the go. Effortless setup for iPhone makes connecting a breeze. Whether you're on a call or listening to your favorite tunes, these earbuds provide a seamless and high-quality audio experience. Get ready to elevate your listening experience with the Apple AirPods second generation. Introducing the Apple AirPods Max wireless over-ear headphones. Immerse yourself in pure sound with active noise canceling and personalized spatial audio. Experience the magic of Dolby Atmos and seamless connectivity with Bluetooth. Whether you're on the go or at home, these headphones are designed for the ultimate audio experience. Get yours in space gray and elevate your listening today. Introducing the ultimate Bluetooth speaker with HD sound. This portable wireless speaker is IPX5 waterproof, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. With up to 24 hours of playtime, TWS pairing, and BT 5.3 technology, it's the perfect electronic gadget for your home, party, beach, or any outdoor setting. And guess what? It comes in sleek black, making it a stylish addition to your setup. Whether you're chilling at the beach or throwing a party, this Bluetooth speaker is your go-to companion. It's also the perfect birthday gift for your loved ones. Introducing the 3-in-1 wireless charger stand, the ultimate charging solution for all your Apple devices. With fast wireless charging for iPhone 15 all the way down to 8 Plus, Apple Watch 8 to 2 SE, and AirPods 3 to Pro, this sleek and stylish charging station is a must-have for all Apple enthusiasts. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to effortless charging. Keep all your devices powered up and organized in one convenient place. Get your hands on the 3-in-1 wireless charger stand today and experience the future of charging.